Look guys, the red color. I really love it. And guys, pack na pack yung ating bikinis. Ayan, I really love it. The red color. Ayan, ang ganda na yan guys. Kasi hindi siya mangingitim yung ating yung ating dito. Diba? Pack na pack yan. Pack na pack yung ating pagrampa guys. Ayan, nag-shape na yung aking likod guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang para mag-flat yung aking tummy. Diba? I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. The red color. Ayan, and then, meron pa tayong another red color guys. Ayan, ito naman yung ating isusukat. O diba, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan, let's go. Isusukat na natin to guys. Let's go! The red color guys. I really love it. Yan. Pack na pack siya. Ayan. Ayan, the red bikini guys. I really love it. Pack na pack siya. Ayan. Medyo nag-shape na yung aking guys. Only my tummy. Ayan, ito yung aking papaliitin guys. Ayan. O diba? I really love it. Pack na pack. Ayan. Miss Philippines! This video guys, flexing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan, yung aking fashion for today. Ayan po. Ayan. I'm ready for my fashion walk guys. Ayan. My modeling career. I'm ready na. Diba? I really love it guys. Ayan. Pack, 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 pack. O diba? Ayan, another color na naman guys. Look guys, flexing my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love it guys. Ayan, pack na pack yan. I really love it. And siya guys. Pack, 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 pack. Ayan, the green color guys. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack.